To make this delicious and crispy chicken fillets, we're going to need 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, seasonings, butter, and cooking oil. Start up by heating up the pan, add coconut oil, keep the heat medium, add seasonings to an egg and whisk it all together. Place 1 chicken breast fillet in the egg. Dip both sides in the egg, same with the other fillet. Leave them for a minute in that egg bath. Cover chicken fillet with the breadcrumbs. Fry for a few minutes each side until golden brown. At the end of frying, add the butter. That helps to achieve that golden, crispy coat.
You want nice, right?
Yes.